Welcome to Beautyistic. If you've been searching for a solution to target that delicate skin on your neck and décolletage, you're in the right place. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Crepey neck repair treatment. This anti-aging cream promises to tackle the telltale signs of crepey skin, firming up the area with a blend of peptides, shea butter, vitamin E, and squalane oil. Let's see if this product really delivers on its promises. First off, let's break down what this treatment offers. In its 1.7-ounce jar, you're getting a formulation that contains TruFirm Complex, an exclusive ingredient designed to support the production of elastin. Elastin is crucial for maintaining that youthful bounce in your skin, and as we age, its production slows down, leading to sagging and wrinkling. So this product promises to help restore that elasticity and firmness. Along with the TruFirm Complex, it also boasts a variety of well-known skincare ingredients like retinol, peptides, shea butter, vitamin E, and squalane oil. Each of these plays a role in improving skin texture and hydration, making this product more than just a basic neck cream. When it comes to real-world testing, the first thing I noticed was the texture. It's a rich but not overly greasy cream that absorbs into the skin fairly quickly. Applying it after cleansing in the evening, I found that it left my skin feeling smooth, hydrated, and visibly softer right from the first use. There was no irritation from the retinol, which is a big win, especially for sensitive skin. However, if you're someone who typically reacts to retinol, I'd recommend doing a patch test first. I also put this to the test over a week of daily use, and while I didn't notice an overnight miracle, I did start to see a gradual improvement in the texture of my skin. The crepiness around my neck area felt less pronounced, and the skin appeared firmer. In the morning, my skin looked plumper and smoother, which I really appreciated, especially when the harsh winter weather can sometimes leave my skin feeling tight and dry. Of course, it's important to weigh the pros and cons. On the plus side, the formula is rich in beneficial ingredients, and the consistency is luxurious but not heavy. It's easy to incorporate into your skincare routine, and I loved how hydrated my skin felt after use. However, the price point might be a bit steep for some, especially since the results were gradual. If you're looking for something that provides a more immediate fix, this may not be the cream for you. Now, when it comes to value for money, we have to consider what you're getting for the price. The Crepey neck repair treatment contains high-quality ingredients like peptides, retinol, and squalane oil, which are well regarded for their anti-aging benefits. If you're targeting specific signs of aging, especially around the neck and décolletage, this could be worth the investment. That said, if you're on a tighter budget, there are alternatives out there that might offer a similar combination of hydration and firming, though they may not have the exclusive TruFirm Complex. The packaging is pretty standard for a luxury skincare product. The jar is sleek and sturdy, and while it's not the most eco-friendly option, it's practical for dispensing the product without too much waste. I do appreciate the airtight container, which helps preserve the integrity of the ingredients. One thing I'd like to mention is the product's longevity. While I didn't test this long-term, based on my week of use, the jar will likely last you a while, even with daily application. It's a small size for the price, but a little goes a long way, so I'm hopeful it'll stretch beyond the typical 30-day usage. In terms of customer service, I haven't interacted directly with BodyFirm, but their products generally have good reviews when it comes to responsiveness, especially regarding returns and product concerns. If you're purchasing from a reputable retailer, you should be in good hands. As for alternatives, you might want to check out brands like Strivectin or Elastin if you're looking for something comparable in performance, but at a slightly different price point. These also target neck and décolletage concerns, with some similar ingredients, including peptides and moisturizers. To wrap it up, the Crepe neck repair treatment is a solid option for those wanting to target the visible signs of aging on their neck and décolletage. It delivers a good combination of ingredients that work well for hydration and skin firming, though you'll need patience to see the results. If you're willing to invest in a premium product for long-term results, this could be a great addition to your skincare routine. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.